Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can transfer your USDT from Binance to Redotpay. For this, I need to click to the deposit button, then click to the USDT and then on chain. After that, I need to select networks. So I wanna take the amount by BSC network. So click to the BSC. It's very simple, don't worry, you also can select the BSC network, then just copy this address. We need to just click here and then that will copy it. Okay, so we need to go to the Binance, then click to the send button. After that, click to withdraw asset. So I click to the withdraw asset option. Now I want to withdraw USDT, that's why I click USDT, and then now I need to paste my URL address, the address, this one, which is I already copied this one. Okay, my Redotpay wallet address, I just paste it to here. Then now I need to select the network. See, what is this option? This is BSC, that's mean BNB Smart Chain. Okay, this is BNB Smart Chain wallet address. So obviously we need to send via BSC Smart Chain wallet network. Okay, that's why I select this option. All right, then click to the next button. How much USDT I want to send? Let me send 10 USDT. Then withdraw. See, there is a little bit charge. I'm sending 9.99 USDT and it takes 0.01 USDT. Okay, it's not much. Then we need to select the withdraw button. Then we need to slide it from left to right. Just simply slide. And then now we need to use our passkey or any authentication code or email verification code, anything what you are using. I'm using my passcode and that's it. It's done. Okay, now it's in process. Let's wait 1 to 2 minutes. All right, the dollar has been added to my Redotpay account. So that is how you can transfer your Binance USDT to your Redotpay account. Thank you so much for watching this video.